Hey cleaning professionals, it's Alex with Tucker. In this quick video update, we're going to be discussing the Alpha series of brushes, and this will cover all standard and XL sizes, as well as the scrubber pad and bristle option versions. Now, previously, we had these equipped with our female Euro threaded ends that will go on Euro tips, but we're happy to announce our new B2 versions that will come standard with our quick release shaft. So as you can see, these will now quickly go into our tucker poles, lock into place, and have no fear of it spinning off on you while you're cleaning at extended heights. So obviously these will fit our tucker poles with the B2 clamps, and will fit many of our competitor poles that have the same kind of a clamp option. Now, if you have a pole with a fixed Euro tip, you will need to purchase separately, and this will be linked in the product detail. This female end with a Euro socket, and once you have this completed onto your brush, you can then screw it onto your Euro tip pole. Now, if you're not sure if the shaft end or the female Euro end will fit your current pole, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our contact information will be in the video description. And as always, have a great day.